Welcome everybody. Today we will take a look at our third episode of Pygame, in which we will see how to move our sprite on the screen. Let's take a look at the code that we made in the last episode. And so for the class player, you see there is def init. This is the function that will run when you call this class player to make your instance for your sprite. And so in this init method, we just loaded all the images for our sprites. We created a list ordering them, putting before the number 1 to the 9th, and then from 10 and on, using the length of the first file as a measure to see that the shortest are the one that goes from 1 to 9, and then we put in the queue, at the end of the line of the list, the items that goes from number 10, that ends with number 10, and so on. So after we created the list, we loaded each one of the image with pg.image.load with this for loop here, that is in the way Python does for loop with list extension. And then we have the self current equals 0. It's number 0 of the sprites, so that we load the first sprite in the list, making the image memorized into self sprite of 0 at the start, and then this will be increased. And then we have the self rect. We will say later what this is for. And then we have self weight, and we will explain this one in a moment. So you see here the update method and of the class player. This is used to make the images to change every second or every frame. So it will be called this update method by the loop that we will see later, where we have the self weight counter here to be increased of 1. And so if self weight equal pose is 4, so it means that this will go in the first frame to 1, then the second frame 2, 3 and 4. When it goes to 4, it will put this weight counter to 0 again, and then it will increase the number of the frame that will be displayed on the screen. So every 4 frame we will display another image for our sprite. So our sprite will move slower than the frame rate, because we don't want it to move so fast. So, and we want to control its movement rather than just following the frame rate, because we don't want all the animation to be done at the same frame rate, let's say so. So if self-current, if then the images are go to the end of the list of images, then we'll go back to 0, and so they will repeat the first animation, the first image of the list of the animation. So the animation will start again, and then we will put the self image equals self the sprite self current. So this will put the image object as the current sprite image. Okay, so we get, for example, 15 images for the animation. This will cycle all the 15 images, but each images will occur after 4 frame.